Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's review night and we're in the kitchen tonight. So I was at the grocery store and come across this in the freezer section. This is the Birdseye, the Cheeseburger Skillet. I'm gonna say it wrong. The Voila? Voila? Am I saying that right? Voila. Anyway, I come across this and we do some of these frozen meals like this from time to time. I have not done this one, so this is a new taste for me. But to be honest, generally when I do these little frozen meals like this, I usually end up kicking up a little with some extra spices, just because that's what I feel like it needs to be done. So we're not doing that this time. We're doing this straight, following the directions. We're just gonna pick this up in our little skillet here and get her done and feed the family, and I'll be back with you and get us a taste test. See how we like it. See what we think. Straight up, no additives, no added ingredients on this one. Let's get going. Yes, let's just add in our little sauce packages. I'll start this out low here. Get in our frozen food. A half cup of water. We're going to cover this, stir it occasionally till it's done, about 14-15 minutes, guys. That's all we're doing. I'm going to turn this down to low. Get my family fed. We'll come back and we'll see what this tastes like. Get in here and get us some of this. Yeah, gotta say it does smell good. It's got a good smell to it. This is just some cracked wheat sourdough bread. About half it there. Get it on the side. I say she does look good. Alright, no point in delaying this anymore. Jump in there and get some of these noodles, a little tomato, and a piece of that hamburger. Obviously, I wish there was a little bit more meat in this, but it's got a great smell to it. Let's get a bite. What? The beef almost tastes like, you know those frozen Salisbury steak dishes you get with gravy that you put in the oven for about an hour? That's what the meat tastes like. It's not bad, but it's not great either. It's not going to pop out at you. The tomatoes and cheesy sauce. Pasta. I'm going to try to get some onion in there. You know, this is pretty tasty. I would definitely have to kick it up with some extra cheese, some extra flavors if I was to do this again. But in a crunch, you're short on time. Sure, go for it. It's not blowing me away good, which honestly I wasn't expecting it to be. The beef is, I'm gonna be honest, that's a little disappointing. A little disappointing. It just smells like a processed Salisbury steak meat you get in those little frozen cardboard boxes. That's what it tastes like to me. Guys, thank you so much. I know this is kind of a quick review. I was in a grocery store, I seen it, and I'm gonna bring you some of this type of stuff too, not just fast food, because there's more to food reviews than fast food. So guys, I'm going to bring you some of this as I see them. Hopefully stuff I haven't tried before, so I can bring it to you for the first time. And this was one of those. Thanks as always, guys. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had this? Do you eat this type of meal? Would you try this? So guys, thank you as always, and until next time, God bless ya. Bye bye.